What's up, world? This is Isaiah Morton coming live and direct from WalkingNYC.com, WalkingTheCollege.com. We're here to talk about Jeremy Lin and his highs and lows of the season. You know, he's probably going through some mental toughness things right now. You know, he's out for 6 weeks, and I just want people to know, or people to let me know if do they think that the Knicks are better with Jeremy Lin or without Jeremy Lin. And you know, right now Ohio State and Kansas is going on right now, so everybody's focused on the NCAA Final Four. And right now, I just want to talk about Jeremy Lin and do people think that the Knicks still need him, or do they think that he should get traded, or that he's definitely an asset for the Knicks, and even through injury and the bumpy roads that he's been having since the beginning of the season? Do people think that the Knicks should keep him? This is Isaiah Morton coming live and direct from WalkingNYC.com, WalkingTheCollege.com. Signing out.